Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing awesome and I hope you're watching my content and giving me love. Please do. Today I'm going to talk about it's a secret. It's a secret kept from us. I don't know why. It's a bottle. But it's just not a bottle. It has needles? How can bottle have needles? It's micro needling in a bottle? Have you heard about that? You would have heard about microneedling treatment for your face in beauty salons, in clinics. You know, this kind of helps you produce collagen, it lifts your face, it gives you that glow, it improves the texture. It has so many benefits. Okay? But our Koreans have again cracked it. They have cracked microneedling in a bottle. Now you don't have to pay a bomb for that microneedling session. You just need to get this bottle and use it. This is called VT microneedle shots. Now if you see this 300, it has multiple variations to it, starting from 50 to 100 to 300 to 700 to 900, depending how your skin tolerates. You can start low and then kind of go up the ladder with 1000 or 1500, whatever you want to kind of work around it, right? Now this is a concept nobody is talking about, but it works amazingly. Okay, I've been using it for over a month now and my texture of the skin has really improved. My pores, the texture, the softness, it has really made a difference, guys. And when you kind of use it for the first time, you will see like somebody, you know, kind of pricking you slightly, like needles kind of going in, very minute. That's what you're going to feel, but that's going to go away after a point. Now what I do is when I use this, I kind of accompany it with this. Now this two together, magic. This is again by VT. It is the Cica Care Cream. Okay, now this is basically something which helps you kind of heal things. It helps you, you know, when you kind of put this, it helps you moisturize it, heal it, calm it down. That's the purpose of this cream, again from the same brand. So pick these two together if you want to try this out. Okay, now I'm going to show you how this cream looks like first. So this is how the cream looks like. Okay, it has centella, guys. You would have heard enough about Korean centella, how it helps you soothe your skin, calm your skin, heal your skin. So this is how it looks like. It is so lightweight. It gives a nice sheen to your skin and it makes your skin feel relaxed. You try this out, okay? It's available on Amazon. I'm going to put the link. Now this beauty, okay, you have to pump it like this. Okay, this is how it looks like. You have to take a little and spread it on your skin. Avoid the neck and eye area because they're usually sensitive, especially when you are a beginner. Okay, and just let it kind of dry for 15 minutes or so that it completely gets absorbed into your skin. Then top it up with this, and that day you take it easy. Like, don't apply anything except for a moisturizer, but don't apply your active ingredients, just to experience your skin for some time. From the third usage or the fourth usage, you can then start applying your, you know, other ingredients like peptides, you know, your vitamin C's, etc., your retinoids. All that is fine to apply with it. It's not going to hinder in the process. In fact, it will help you absorb it better. Now, if you want me to talk in detail how this works, why it's such a, you know, viral thing, does it really work, I can do a full review. But that will obviously take some time and mostly we run out of patience. But this is a secret kept away from us and I'm sharing it with you because nobody's talking about it. So if you like it, then please subscribe to my channel because I bring to you something which is different, which is unique, and the next one is something from Japan. And if you want to know, then subscribe. Okay, see you, bye, love you.